Hello everyone, I'm Gopinath Balaji, a technical team member of Codezilla. Today we'll be discussing about data analysis. Few points that we'll cover are: what is data analysis, where is it used, what are the skills required to master it, and the standard process of analyzing a data set. So let's get right into it. What is data analysis? It is the process of transforming and modeling data to get some useful insight that can help a business make better decisions. We analyze a data set by using statistical and programming techniques. If you are an aspiring machine learning engineer or data scientist, the path to your goal will become much easier if you learn data analysis. This image should give you a good idea of why we need data analysis. A real-world dataset can span hundreds, if not thousands of rows. Filtering the rows according to some condition and then visualizing it with the help of graphs makes it much easier to extract information from the dataset contains. Imagine if we had to manually go through a dataset that contains thousands of rows. It wouldn't be possible. That is precisely why we need data analysis. Now, where is this exactly used? Any and every major company spends a significant amount of money to analyze the user data, which helps them cater to each customer in a unique way. Let's understand this with a trivial example. Say, Amazon has 1,000 customers. It's fairly obvious that about every customer has different tastes and needs for product. So, by analyzing each user dataset, every customer is recommended only those products which they are likely to buy. This helps the customers find the most appropriate product for their needs, and by giving relevant recommendations, it also helps the business to increase its sales. Now we'll delve into the technicalities of data analysis, like what are the skills required to master it. To understand and get a good grip of this subject, it is recommended that you have college level knowledge in statistics and programming. There are various programming languages currently used for data analysis, like R, Julia, Scala, and Python. But Python is the most widely used because of its simple syntax and plethora of useful libraries. We'll quickly cover the process followed for any data analysis project. First, we'll have to get the dataset. Loads of datasets are readily available in websites like Kaggle, but if it isn't, you can always use APIs to request for data or use web scraping to get the data for your desired website. After we've obtained our data, we'll have to clean it. Cleaning a dataset means removing outliers, missing values, or incorrect values. Once we have a clean dataset, we can use it to create beautiful graphs. This in turn will make it easy for us to gain some insights about the data. As I mentioned before, that Python is the language most widely used for data analysis. Here are a few Python packages that you'll come across: Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Pandas and NumPy are packages used to modify data frames and arrays, whereas Matplotlib and Seaborn are packages used to create and modify visualizations. Here are a few interesting facts to pique your interest. A machine learning engineer put 80% of effort in just getting the dataset clean and ready for further modeling. So a lot of time is spent just pre-processing the data. Of all the data we have ever created, only 0.5% is analyzed or used. So you can imagine the amount of data that doesn't get analyzed or used. India has currently a booming data science analytics sector. It is estimated that the valuation stands at about $16 billion. The total amount of data the world has generated stands at about 59 zettabytes. To give you an idea of how big this number is, 1 zettabyte equals to a billion terabytes. To summarize all that we have seen, we saw What is data analysis? It is the process of getting insights from raw data. It is used by every company to make data driven decisions. The process of data analysis involves obtaining the dataset, cleaning, and then visualizing it. The basic Python packages that you need to learn are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Hope all of you have learned something of value and enjoyed today's discussion. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content. Also, do follow our social media handles for more updates. Thank you.